Hey guys, it's Dakota Wixom here from quantbros.com, and I'm going to show you how to reduce row count in Excel. You might need to do this because you've just got a huge Excel file and maybe you don't need all the data. In this example, I've got daily S&P 500 returns since 1950 to current day. It's a 2.9 megabyte Excel file, which is pretty crazy. So I'm going to show you just how to reduce the row counts, get rid of the rows that you really don't need. So here's the Excel file. You can see the adjusted close here, which is really what I want. The adjusted close and the date. I don't really want anything else. So I'm going to start a new sheet here, and I'm just going to call this cleaned data. And then I'm going to go back to the original sheet. I'm going to click on the row heading here. I'm going to command or control click and select the other column. Now I'm going to copy it, and then I'm going to paste it into this new sheet here. So something that I'm going to need is the row number, and you'll see why later. So first I'm going to make this 0. Then I'm going to type in equals, click the cell above, plus 1, so it's the cell above plus 1, and then I'm just going to double click on the edge here, and that should apply all the way down, all the way through all, I don't know how many rows there are, 16,000 rows. So now there's something really cool that we can do using modular arithmetic. So if, for example, we want 1 out of every 5 days, perhaps you want this because there's 5 trading days in a week, so maybe we just want every Monday or every Friday or something like that. We can do that using the Modulus function. So we're going to just type equals mod in the next column here. We're going to click on the cell to the left, which is just kind of our index, and then we're going to do comma the divisor. So we're going to do 5. This should basically, out of every 5 cells here, it's going to be a 0, and all the other ones are not going to be zeros. And you might think this isn't very handy, but when we use the filter function here, so I'm just going to apply that to everything, select the row, and then I'm going to go to filter. Let's see if I can find it here, data. Okay, so I'm just going to click filter here. And then I'm going to say does not equal 0. So this should select every single row where the column value in this column D does not equal 0. Everything else is hidden. And now if we select this row here, and then I'm just going to do command or control shift and then press the down arrow, that's going to select all the rows we don't need. I'm going to right click on the rows here, delete row. Might take a second here. This is precisely the reason why we're cleaning the data, because it's so massive. Alright, that finished here. So now we're going to go back to the filter. I'm just going to click on this little filter icon here, and I'm going to turn it off, clear filter. Now you can see these rows are all messed up because it freaked out. It's like, you deleted these rows, what did you do? But that's okay, we really don't need it, so I'm just going to select both of those and delete. And now we've got, remember it was 16,000 rows before, now we've got 3,291 rows. Perfect, that's really all we need. Now I can use this for all sorts of different things. It's going to be a heck of a lot faster to chart and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, hopefully this comes in handy for you. You can look up modular arithmetic if you're more interested in that. But yeah, I just hope this helps you out. Thanks for watching. If you like that, be sure to subscribe and like the video. Ask any questions in the comments below, and I'll be sure to get back to you. If you have any suggestions, let me know. Visit quantbros.com, and we'll try and crank out a video if there's something that you want to see in particular. And yeah, have a good day.